Get ready to step into the shadows, face impossible odds, and unleash your inner spy. Welcome to Black Widow, Marvel Rivals, the ultimate action-packed adventure where you become Natasha Romanoff. Trained from childhood in the infamous Red Room, Natasha Romanova became one of the most feared spies and saboteurs in the world. For years, she put her unrivaled combat skills to use as a member of the Avengers, keeping pace with some of the most powerful beings who ever lived. Imbued with super soldier-like treatments that vastly extended her lifespan, Black Widow outlived most of her enemies and allies. But her fight still rages on decades into the future, where she leads the Red Room in its ongoing effort to overthrow the tyrannical Doom 2099. Let's talk about her abilities. The Widow's Bite Baton is one of Black Widow's signature weapons. These enhanced electric batons are designed for close-range combat, allowing Natasha Romanoff to strike quickly and effectively. The batons carry electroshock capabilities, making them highly effective against enemies. In the Marvel Rivals game, the Widow's Bite Baton is a melee weapon that deals 45 damage per strike and can hit enemies twice per second. It's a crucial part of Black Widow's arsenal, enabling her to neutralize threats up close while maintaining her agility and combat prowess. The Red Room rifle is one of Black Widow's primary weapons in the Marvel Rivals game. This single-cast direct hit weapon deals 120 damage per round and has a fire rate of 0.83 rounds per second, and ammo capacity is 8. The rifle is designed for long-range combat, allowing Black Widow to snipe enemies from a distance. It shares the same magazine with the straight shooter ability, which activates after aiming down sights for a specific duration. The Red Room rifle is highly effective for situations where you need to deal significant damage from afar, but it does experience damage fall-off if used from too far away. This weapon is a crucial part of Black Widow's arsenal, enabling her to support her team by taking out high-priority targets from a safe distance. The Electroplasma Explosion is Black Widow's ultimate ability in the Marvel Rivals game. When activated, it switches the Red Room rifle to destruction mode and unleashes a powerful Electroplasma blast. This blast damages enemies within range and leaves a plasma field on the ground that slows nearby enemies by 80%. The ability has a projectile speed of 100 meters per second and an explosion range of 5.6 to 8 meters, with maximum damage achieved after 0.6 seconds of charging. The explosion deals 120 to 170 damage, and the plasma field has a spherical radius of 1.5 meters too. The plasma field lasts for 10 seconds, making it a highly effective tool for controlling the battlefield and pinning down high-priority targets. Fleet Foot is one of Black Widow's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows her to dash forward and perform a powerful jump, giving her increased mobility on the battlefield. The dash helps her reposition quickly, escape dangerous situations, or close the gap between her and her enemies. The enhanced jump enables her to reach higher ground, providing strategic advantages during combat. Fleet Foot has a maximum energy of 120, with an energy recovery speed of 30 per second. The movement boost provided by this ability is 33%. The energy cost for sprinting is 12 per second, and each power jump costs 24 energy. This ability is essential for Black Widow's playstyle, as it complements her agility and versatility, allowing her to adapt to various combat scenarios effectively. Edge Dancer is one of Black Widow's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows her to unleash a spinning kick that knocks enemies airborne. If the initial kick lands successfully, she can follow up with a second kick by zipping to the target with a grappling hook. This ability is particularly useful for fending off backline divers like Black Panther, Spider-Man, and Iron Fist, and can also be used to push enemies off ledges. The spinning kick deals 35 damage and stuns enemies for 1 second, while the follow-up kick also deals 35 damage. The ability has a cooldown of 15 seconds and a combo window of 5 seconds. The maximum distance for the spinning kick is 5 meters, and for the follow-up kick, it is 12 meters. Straight Shooter is one of Black Widow's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows her to switch the Red Room rifle to sniper mode, enabling her to fire high-energy rounds with precision. When activated, Straight Shooter enters a first-person zoom view, allowing Black Widow to land more accurate shots that are not affected by damage distance falloff. The ability deals 120 damage per hit and shares the same magazine with the Red Room rifle. The fire rate for Straight Shooter is 0.83 rounds per second, and it can critically hit targets, making it a powerful tool for taking down enemies from a distance. Super Sensory Hunt is a team-up ability in the Marvel Rivals game that Black Widow can use when paired with Hawkeye. This ability allows Hawkeye to share his hunter's sight with Black Widow, enabling her to see and damage the afterimages of enemies. The ability lasts for 8 seconds and has a cooldown of 30 seconds. During this time, afterimages of enemies are generated at intervals of 0.5 seconds and last for 3 seconds each. However, the afterimages generated by this ability cannot be critically hit. Black Widow, Marvel Rivals isn't just about stealth, it's about strategy, skill, and teamwork. With breathtaking visuals, an intense storyline, and endlessly replayable missions, this is the Black Widow experience fans have been waiting for.
You seeing stars? Bogies, here they come.
God of Thunder! He must answer for what he has done to Asgard and all other worlds. On your toes, here they come. The card power process. Leave them to Khonshu!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Airstrike!
Mission area is yours.
That one hurts.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
We are in this.
Plasma!
I need healing. Awaken the rage of battle.
Every little bit helps. I've got your back.
We are in this together. Beware. We are in the sights of a sniper.
Are you ready to step into the shadows and join the fight? Grab your copy of Black Widow, Marvel Rivals today and become the ultimate spy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gaming content. See you on the battlefield.